Hey Lovebugs, it's your girl Dizastrousbeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Dorhair. Shout out to you, Dorhair, for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys the unit, and as you guys can see, it does have some streaks of 99J in it. And the cap construction is, as you also can see right here, it's a 360 unit. It does have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And right here I am showing you guys the hairline. I did decide not to tweeze it whatsoever. So yeah, what you see is what you get, girl. So this unit is 180% density. It does only come in 1 length, and that is the length that you guys see on me. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it later on in the outro portion of this video. And if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you Lovebugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. This unit was sent to me by Dorhair. Shout out to you, Dorhair, for sending me this unit. Y'all, I love my Pixies from Dorhair, okay? I will have a card somewhere up here so you guys can see like the first Pixie I got from them. I think it was the first that I got from this company. I fell in love. It is still like a staple unit for me. Like, I love this unit, and I actually did a video with 2 weeks. I think they're both from Dorhair, where I turned my cousin into me. A lot of you guys did see that video and liked it, but I did have on Pixies from this same company. Like, I just love their curly Pixies. So I'm gonna have a picture of it up at some point so you guys can see. It says short Pixie curly with 99J highlights, 360 lace frontal wig, pre-plucked natural hairline with baby hair. Okay, it says hair length, image length, so it's the same length. It only comes in one length. It's the same length as pictured. It's 100% human hair. It's a 360 lace frontal wig. It has an average cap size, and I think that's the only, no, it's not. You can also get it in a medium or a small, and it doesn't look like it costs extra. So if you do get it in a medium, it's going to take an extra 4 to 7 days. And if you are getting it in a small, it's going to take it in extra 1 more day than the medium. Okay, so I have it in a medium cap size. The density is 180%. It's Brazilian hair. The lace is light brown. It can be permed, and it is Swiss lace. So those are the details and specs, and I guess at this point I will have a picture of the unit up. And as you guys can see, the picture is definitely longer than what you guys see me rocking, but that is because I've been cutting in this hair. I'm gonna cut this long piece right here. I have been cutting in this hair. I have hair all over myself too. Yeah, I like, and I'll get into the whys of all of that in a little bit, but yeah, it's a personal preference for me. But yeah, so those are the details and specs and all that good stuff with this wig. As far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like this wig was pretty big head friendly. I think if you have a large head, that you can just get the medium, and you can make it work. I do have it crisscrossed in the back because I don't have no hair, and that's how it fits me. But I do feel like if you have a smaller head, you can just obviously get the small. You could probably make it work with the medium, but I would just get the small because right now my head is more of a small head, but I'm rocking it, so I feel like you can rock it as well. As far as it being a 360, child, I use this wig exactly how I do my frontals, okay? I didn't care that it was a 360. I did it just like it was a 13x6, girl, okay? But it is a 360 wig, so if you want to utilize that in whatever way you want to, I don't know how, because honey, it ain't but this long, but you know what, whatever, to each their own. But it is a 360 wig. What else I want to say, child? Is it tangly? Do it shed? No, like it's this long, girl. If it tangled and shed, we would have problems, okay? So no, it doesn't tangle or shed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So obviously I don't have to do a lint check. Oh, I love to say that. I just love to say that. Obviously I don't have to do a lint check because honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So we can go ahead and get into my thoughts on this unit and why I cut it, and the products that I use. So if you are interested in all that good stuff, all that tea, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. You already know I am feeling this wig. Pixies, curly Pixies are just my swag. Like, I love a curly Pixie. I get the most compliments on my hair, honey, not my wig. Because that's what people say. Oh my God, your hair is so pretty. They don't, you know, like when I'm wearing my wigs, like my other wigs, they be like, oh my God, your wig is so nice. Who did it? But when I'm wearing these curly Pixies, I get told, oh my God, your hair is so pretty. Okay, like, yes, I love that. So I really like curly Pixies. I like how natural they look, and I really like this one. Now, I feel like, as I showed you guys the picture, and I knew it was gonna be long because it's basically like the blonde one that I had, because it is in the color 99J. I forgot to mention that. This has 99J in it. I don't know if you got, yeah, you can see it right there. It does have like little streaks of 99J, which I think is cute, you know, to add a little pop of color. And it's kind of very similar to the blonde one that I got. Like, I feel like these are these are similar wigs. So I knew it was gonna be long, and to me that don't equate Pixie. Like when it's longer, I feel like that equates bob, but maybe I don't know. Okay, maybe I don't know the difference between Pixie and bob. Okay, I don't know, but to me that equates more of a curly bob, and my Pixies, I need for them to be that long, girl, like that long. I only want a little bit of hair on my Pixies. Like that's just how I feel. That's my swag. That's what I be looking for. So because of that, I knew I was gonna have to cut it. I wanted to go back and make sure that I didn't agree not to cut it, because honey, I knew I was gonna cut it. So I wanted to make sure that I wasn't like, you know, in my cups or something when I was answering that particular email and agreed to something that I knew I wasn't gonna do, and I didn't. So great, I cut it, and I'm still cutting it. I am still cutting in this hair. I'm probably not gonna stop for a while because I like for my curly Pixies to be really short. Also with this wig, it is thick. I do prefer a thinner, shorter wig. Like the shorter my wig is, the thinner the density, the less density I like. So I would prefer 150. It's still cute. It has like that whole full look, but I feel like it's easier to manage when it's less hair. Like I just feel like it's fine to be 150% density when it's a Pixie. And let me see, can you get it? Yeah, it's only available in 180% density, which is, you know, it's a good amount of hair. But yeah, so that's why I cut it, and I'm like I said, I'm still cutting in it with this little thing that you can get from the, what they call a razor comb. You can get these from the beauty supply store. Okay, no problem. Like anytime I see a long piece, I just grab it. And I feel like there's no real technique to this. Like if you do like it short like me and you feel like, oh, I'm not gonna get that one because I don't know how to cut, honey, I don't know how to cut. Okay, that is not what she does. Okay, I'm nobody's beautician. I always tell you guys, if I can do it, you can do it. And that's because I'm just an average everyday person when it comes to my hair. I'm cheap. So I was like, bitch, you like, girl, y'all about to make me cuss. Girl, you better learn how to do your own hair, because I don't like to go to salons and all that. And honey, shout out to me, because who knew COVID was gonna happen? Okay, not me. So it's a good thing that I did learn how to do my hair. But using these razor combs, and because it's curly hair, like you don't have to, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I know you like, girl, but I'm gonna be spending my coins and I don't want to cut in my hair, and I get that. But if this is the style that you want to get, then honey, you're gonna have to cut her. Okay. Okay, so I showed you guys what it looked like prior to me putting the headband on, because honey, somebody came for my whole life in another video where I had the headband on. They was like, I want to know what it looked like with the headband off, even though I styled it on camera, so you saw what it looked like with the headband off. But whatever, honey, I digress. I decided to just kind of show you guys how you could style it without the headband. I do prefer my Pixies kind of pushed back. Like this is just the look that I go for with my Pixies. Like this is just what I like. It's a preference. You can style it how you want to, baby girl. It's your world. Okay, this is just my own personal style. So yeah, I like it. Now, what did I use? Like I said, I used this razor comb. You can get it from the beauty supply stores, like $1, I think. I used my water bottle that has conditioner in it, and I used this CANTU Define and Shine Custard for brilliant shine and perfect hold. I used that, and I used some Eco Styling Gel. And when I put the Eco Styling Gel on it, I just kind of crunched it up, like crunch it up like that, to, like, you know, to define my curls to be how I want them to be. And it's not crunchy whatsoever, which is odd, because usually the other hair that I do this with, it be crunchy. Like I don't know, it may be the length, I don't know, child, and it may be because I keep cutting more hair off, I don't know, but it's not crunchy, and I do like that. And yeah, it's just an entire vibe for me. I would recommend you guys checking out this wig, and the price is really affordable. It's $99. Okay, and like I said, it's more hair than this. This is just from me chomping in it. So yeah, as you guys could see, it was way more hair than this. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. If y'all see hair back there, excuse it. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so so like I stated, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. Let me know down below what you guys think, and let me know if you prefer your like curly pixies to be as short as I'm wearing it. Do you prefer it to be a little longer? Did you like it in its natural state? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helter Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.